White Hat Dynamic is designed to provide continuous production DAST testing, while the other Synopsys AppSec tools are designed for pre-production and development environments. Let's dig in a bit on White Hat Dynamic, starting with the dashboard. The White Hat Dynamic dashboard provides two distinct views based on the user persona. We're going to start with the executive dashboard. Here we can see the total public vulnerabilities found, and the associated vulnerability trend, as well as the most common vulnerabilities. If we switch to the peer benchmarking view, we can see how our application compares against its industry peers, in this case financial services. It seems that all of the assets we're testing have vulnerabilities, with open vulnerabilities well in excess of the industry average, and a remediation rate of 0. With remediation activity happening, our test application clearly isn't reflective of what you'd expect of a real banking application. Let's now take a look at some of the DAST findings. Unlike other DAST tools, White Hat Dynamic goes beyond automated testing, using a combination of test techniques to identify issues. These issues are then verified by the White Hat Threat Research Center, TRC, to remove false positives, eliminating the noise commonly associated with DAST and giving teams an accurate and actionable list of issues to remediate. Let's sort the findings by rating, filter for the vulnerability class of insufficient process validation, and look at a White Hat Dynamic process validation finding to better illustrate this. A process validation issue is reported when the business logic of the application has a flaw, even though the code is otherwise correct. The vulnerability detail shows when the vulnerability was first identified and its verification status. In this case, the vulnerability is assigned a CVSS score of 6.5. Let's look at the description and solution for this vulnerability. Note that the Threat Research Center has provided contextual information for this finding as part of their analysis. In this case, the underlying issue is that the application accepts negative numbers for a payment transaction, which can result in funds being erroneously or maliciously withdrawn from another user's account. To learn more about how to verify the security of your applications in production, visit synopsys.com/DAST.